So last one we're going to go over is number 12, and it says factor completely. So the first thing to notice is that there is a m in common between all three of these terms. So you would want to pull that out first, and let's see if we could pull anything else out number-wise. So there's 9 and a 30, so there's a 3 common between those, but there's not a 3 factor of 25. So it does not look like we can pull out the same number from every term. So m is the only thing we can pull out to start. And then to get back 9m cubed, we need 9m squared. To get back 30m squared, we need plus 30m. And then we need a plus 25 to get back 25m. So then it's a matter of factoring this. And if you use the AC method, which I showed a little bit ago, we do 9 times 25, which gives us 225. So some big numbers, but the idea is we want to find two numbers that multiply to 225 and also add to this 30. So because it's a positive 225 and because it's adding to a 30, we know both of these numbers are going to be positive. We just have to figure out exactly what they are. So if you play around with it and do some guessing and checking, I got 15 and 15, right? 15 times 15 multiplies to 225, and then 15 plus 15 also adds to 30. So once you get those two numbers, you want to use the AC method to factor this. I'm going to save this m for the end. You still have to attach it at the end, but right now we're focusing on factoring what's left. So we write our 9m squared, and then 30m we break up into the two numbers that we found, 15m and 15m. And the 25 stays 25. So then we factor by grouping. What can I pull out of these two terms? I can pull out a 3 and an m. And I get back 3m plus 5. And then over here, group up the second two terms, I could pull out a 5, it looks like, so a positive 5. And I get back 3m plus 5 to get back this 25. And now 3m plus 5's match up, which is good, so write that. And then our other binomial is what's on the outside, so this 3m plus 5. Oops. And then don't forget, m had to come along from the beginning, right? We were just focusing on factoring this for now, but the m still has to stay out in front. And then our last step, if you notice, it's 3m plus 5 times itself, so we can write that as 3m plus 5 squared. That's your final answer. M times 3m plus 5 in parentheses squared.